मैंने आज आम डिस्कस करवा जेरार इंग्लिश जो आर आई एग्जाम होता तार किसी इंग्लिश सेट रो किसी क्वेश्चन सेट इरो। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रामो सेड टू मी यू विल बी रिवार्डेड। तार आंसर है रामो टोल्ड मी दैट आई वुड बी रिवार्डेड। सेकंड क्वेश्चन ही सेड टू मी आर यू वेल। तार आंसर है वो डी ही आस्क्ड मी इफ आई वाज वेल। थर्ड क्वेश्चन माय फ्रेंड सेड टू मी लेट अस गो देयर टुमारो। तार आंसर है वो ए माय फ्रेंड प्रपोज दैट वी शुड गो देयर द नेक्स्ट डे। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन he said how beautiful the rose is। The right answer है वो he explained me that the rose was very beautiful। Fifth question the teacher said honesty is the best policy। The answer was the teacher said that honesty is the best policy। Sixth question instruction plan of the sentence who are grammatically correct। So sixth one should keep his promises। B one should keep our promises। One should keep their promises। Fourth one should keep one's promises। The correct answer one should keep one's promises। Seventh question no sooner had I left home then it began to rain। B no sooner left home then it began to rain। No sooner had I left home it began to rain। Fourth no sooner I had left home then it began to rain। The first right answer है वो ए no sooner had I left then it began to rain। Eighth question my father helped me to clean the room। My father helped me cleaning the room। C my father helped me clean the room। Or my father helped me clean the room। The right answer है वो B my father helped me cleaning the room। And one more question he asked me why you have come here। He asked me why you have come here। He asked me why you had come here। D he asked me why I had come here। That's the answer D he asked me why I had come here। 10th question ये दुईटा ऑप्शन दीजिए आई एंजॉय द प्ले द पियानो आई एंजॉय प्ले द पियानो। आई एंजॉय प्लेइंग द पियानो आई एंजॉय प्लेड द पियानो। तो करेक्ट आंसर आई एंजॉय प्लेइंग द पियानो। नेक्स्ट द फंक्शन ये अंडरलाइन वर्क करदेलु। तार करेक्ट आंसर द फंक्शन केम टू ए क्लोज एट 10:30। तो ये क्लोज पास तार सठिक आंसर हो बी सी नाउन ऑफ प्रिपोजिशन। 12th ही द फर्स्ट मैन टू सीट ऑन द पेज। तो ये फास्ट कौन हम फास्ट कौन हम ऑप्शन सी एडजेक्टिव वर्ब। The next question I could not tolerate such humiliation as the president of the student union was proposal or rejected the principal। तो ये rejected और tolerate रो meaning पजाची meaning है तार tolerate पे put up with 15 नंबर rejected में turn down। 16 question thieves forcibly entered our house last night and escaped happily looting money and other valuables। तो forcibly entered आओ एक्सपेक्ट में तार आंसर है वो forcibly broke into or got away with। Next 16 question the thieves। 17 question not only the boy was but also his parents less responsible for the lack of supervision as a result of which 2/3 of the work dash done। The correct answer was B was responsible and the 2/3 the work was done। 18 of the old people as well as his son dash at the fault of for his tragic incident for which a crowd of people dash gather the food. The correct answer of B, each and H. I who dash each friend must look to each interest. I who, the correct answer of M. All that glitters dash not gold. The correct answer each. Slow and steady dash the rose because has dash the waste. The correct answer both wins and makes. B option. A barking dog seldom bites. Change it into complex sentence. The barking, the correct answer was a dog that barks seldom bites. Next 26 question. The boy is very industrious. Change it to exclamatory sentence. The correct answer was B. What an industrious boy he is. 27 question. The police resorted to firing to disperse the violent mob. Choose the correct meaning of the online word. So the dispersement is what he dispel of crowd. 28 question. Dash the road and dash the child. Lokobani hochi tala spare the road and fuel the child. His father is a teacher, his mother is a teacher. The correct answer is C. Both his father and mother. B. Both his father and mother are teachers. The crowd carnivorous means A. An animal eating meat. Mangsasi prani. 31. Dash earth revolves around the sun. The are D option. Both are D. Dash bird in hand or two in the bush. Correct answer for B. A bird in hand is or two in the bush. Dasharatha dash the king of Ayodhya was a humble king. Dasharatha, the king of Ayodhya, was a humble. B. Dash honest man is asset to society. The correct answer for N. Both N. N honest man is an asset to society. Kalidasa dash great Sanskrit poet dash Shakespeare of our country. Kalidasa a Sanskrit poet is a great Sanskrit. Both A. Although the man was accused of dash mob murder by the police and he was acquitted, dash the charges in the court. So both of B option. They agreed dash to his proposal in the meeting, but I did not agree. Dash them. Here option A D B with 2. All the teachers congratulated me dash on my dash success, but I never boast dash of it. So it is option is on and off. C. Old man was very fond dash her daughter who was deprived dash her property. And both options A of. The woman was suffering dash cancer, but the doctor cured her dash of it. The correct answer is A. From and of. Correctly spelled option Rasil 41. And old is a dash bar whose species are almost dash now. So an old is a nocturnal. A option nocturnal. B extinct. EXTINCT. 41. 42. Death of Sushant Singh Rajput has caused not only a vacuum, it is spelling vacuum in the Indian film industry, but almost embarrassment. B option. B C W M embarrassment. During winter a large number of it will be spelling upore dash birds both colorful and dash come from Siberia to Chilika Lake. The correct migratory or exotic. The correct answer is A. Next, the clerk dealing with dash works of the office is occasionally seen in this clerk dealing with a miscellaneous restaurant spelling upore the clerk dealing with सी ऑप्शन 45 frequent power failure in the examination center caused with most dash to the dash inverter examination तो এটা বেরিং উপরে तो करेक्ट आंसर इनकन्वीनियंस बी ऑप्शन इनकन्वीनियंस सुपरिटेंडेंट तो टीचर मेड हिम स्टैंड अप द इन द क्लास तो यार करेक्ट এটা আমার पैसिव एक्टिव রয়েছে तो ही वाज मेड टू स्टैंड अप बाय द टीचर इन द क्लास सी ऑप्शन 47 I saw the monkeys climbing the tree the C correct answer was C the monkeys are seen climbing the tree option 48 the poor should be helped so here correct answer one should help the poor it was proposed to hold a meeting so they proposed to hold a meeting A option the prize were given away by the chief guest the chief guest gave away the prize 50 C तो यह थिला आज आरआई रो इंग्लिश सेट रो किसी क्वेश्चंस आगु जाने चैनल सहित जोड़ी रहा धन्यवाद।